Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John.
And I'm Curtis.
I'm the Curtis tonight. So this is day 3 of the Missouri Star Quilt Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box. So day 3. Day 1 was the Charm Pack, Snuggly Charm Pack. And then day 2 was the template and the pattern and all that to go with it. So here is day 3.
I can imagine how we're gonna remember that as we proceed through the month.
We might want to write that down if we want to be able to recap every day.
Maybe.
All right, so let's see. All right. Ready?
Yeah, let's see.
Oh, it's a magic pin set.
Oh,
So
that's interesting.
it is a magic flathead pins, which are really nice to use for pinning some of your garments and that. But we actually don't have these. We have not used these. See, they're where you can iron over them and that, so they're flat. Still can't sew over them, I don't think. But we have not had any of these. So these are actually stamped Missouri Star Quilt. So they have been made for them. There's 50 pins in here. They're 2-inch pins. So it's a nice gift. I mean, it's something that we'll use at some point, and it's nice to have. Up to this point, we had not ordered them. They just weren't part of what we use. But as a countdown to Christmas, it's kind of a cool gift. So very happy. So really, all 3 days so far have been pretty positive.
Yeah.
So been very excited. So with that said, that's day 3 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. We look forward to day 4. We've got, 22 more days to go.
We do.
So it's going to be an exciting couple of weeks. So with that, we appreciate you jumping into Guys Craft 2. I'm John.
And I'm Curtis.
And until next time, happy crafting.